In this video, I'm going to show you how to add other option in KoBoToolbox. Now, the first thing you want to do when you open the form builder is, of course, select the question where you want to add the other option, okay? So here I just have a multiple choice question, and I'm going to add another one over here. So I'm going to go and click to add another response, and this one is going to be other, and then please specify, okay, just like this. Now there's no direct way to do this, so we have to use a workaround, but it's going to be pretty much a very smooth route, okay? So we have, of course, the regular questions and then the answers, and then over here we have this one, which is the answer. The last one says other, please specify. Now whenever you do that, you want to go ahead and add a new question just below this, so just click on it over here like this, and then whenever you do that, let me actually put this one in the block. There we go. You want to add the question, and this one is going to be text. Now this question is just going to be, I'm just going to type in other, please specify. It's up to you, whatever you want to do here. And then you have to go into settings over here, click on the settings button and make it mandatory, so people actually have to specify, if you want to, of course, them to specify. And then here you can use skip logic, and then you want to add a condition. And what the condition is going to be is the following. You have to select the question from the list where the other is selected. So I have this one over here. So what color do you like the most? I'm going to click on it, and if they whenever they come to this question, if they select this answer, which is other, please specify, so if the answer to this is equals other, please specify, then it's going to basically use skip logic and show this one as well. Again, you can make this mandatory or not, up to you. I'm just going to go and preview this now, and you'll see that whenever I have this question coming up, there we go, I can click on anything and it's going to be fine. But if I click on other, please specify, it's going to pop up and I can specify what I meant by clicking other. Now, of course, that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.